Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make free shipping on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the left side of your screen, and then right here you're gonna find all of the sections, go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find settings, go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to be right here. So go down until you find shipping and delivery. Go ahead and click on it, and then right here, you're going to find all of the options of your shipping. So if we go right here in general, here you're going to find your products. If you scroll down, you're gonna find the shop location, and right here you can edit it if you want to make it international or just exclusive for some countries. And as you can see, guys, right here you're gonna find the name, condition, and the price. So go ahead and click on these three dots, click on Edit Rate, and then right here in price, go ahead and type 0, which is free. Go ahead and click on done, and as you can see guys, now the shipping is free. Also, if you want to see the countries that are available for shipping, just click on this on show all, and as you can see guys, those are the countries that you can ship for. If you click on these three dots, you can click on edit zone, and then you can select the countries that you want to ship to. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.